Hi, good morning. Uh, I was just starting to use the video editor Kinemnaster. Kinemnaster, as they say, is very fine in editing videos, editing your blog. So I tried the Kinemnaster, which I find also very excellent. So every video that I was putting on my channel is done by Kinemnaster. It's very good, you can try it. But there is one problem that I had encountered using it for the first or the second time, about looking for the Chroma key to take off the green background. I could hardly find the Chroma key. Whenever I look for it in the details, I couldn't find the Chroma key. I used to do my buttons in Photoshop, which I am very good, because I am very good in Photoshop as being a graphic designer for that advertising and the t-shirt. So I saved all my buttons with a gray or green background in JPEG file. Then I moved it into this mobile to import it in Kinemnaster. But whenever I had a button on the file on the Kinemnaster, I could not delete its green background because I could not find the Chroma key. So it was very confusing because I always look for the solution in the internet, which I could hardly find. But I'm publishing this video. Maybe there are so many people there that couldn't find the Chroma key. And please follow on this video and find the solution until the end. It's just very enticing, very suggesting, and very easy to do, taking off the green background. So please follow this channel. I am from the Philippines, and thanks to this Kinemnaster. Thank you. And whenever you have the time, please subscribe. Click the bell button to see more of what I may be making in the very near future about the improvement in Kinemnaster. Thank you. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Thank you from the Philippines, Cebu, Philippines. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye. And to start with, let's open a Kinemnaster. Let's select the YouTube size video and gonna look for background. Let's just try the background dark gray. maybe adjust it a little more of seconds, and the next thing I do is to, just for an example, let's put an image of subscribe button. The subscribe button is the one I did on Photoshop, which is just on my files. Now we have here the subscribe button with a green background, but on the right side you could not find the Chroma key. I was very puzzled because I could not find the Chroma key. What could be the reason? So I was planning of looking for it in the internet, but very few topics are in the internet about how to fix the Chroma key. So I just happened to try my own style. I deleted the button, and I was thinking of going into a video editor instead. I have another video editor which I use also to do some easy video editing, as the video slide editor. It's still very good to use, but I find Kinemnaster a little more advanced. So I was looking for the same JPEG button I made in Photoshop, which I edited here. The button is just somewhere in the file. So look for the photos and load the subscribe button. Now it's here, and it's already a clip, a movie clip, a video clip. I made it a little advanced, a little more advanced of seconds to make it basically qualified into a video. And then I saved it, and I would go back to the Kinemnaster. So let's go back to Kinemnaster. So I would try again to upload again the same button, but it's now a movie or a video button. It's right there. It's now here, and in the right panel you can view already the Chroma key. The Chroma key is appearing now. So that could be the solution for fixing the problem about deleting the green background. So now the green background is off already. And here is how I did it in Photoshop. The button, I made it in Photoshop, which I always do every day because of my job. So I easily put a green background on the subscribe and save it in JPEG. I could not save it in maybe like a movie clip or AVI, but I saved it just in a JPEG because here again is the pointer, the hand pointer button, which I also put a green background and save just swell a JPEG file. And I have also here the white bell that I will be using on this video, and likewise saved it again as in JPEG.